What's up? In this video, you will learn how to easily download and install the Threads app. I'll show you everything you need to know about downloading and installing the Threads app. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to properly understand the tutorial. To get started, you simply have to head towards your Google Play Store or App Store, and then you simply have to go over the search bar at the top, and on the search bar you simply have to search for Thread. After that, tap on this exact same app. So what you want to do next is to simply tap on install button over here, and after that the app will be start installing. Once the app is installed, you simply have to tap on open. So now in order to use this app, you just need an Instagram account. If you don't already have an Instagram account, simply create one. After that, simply select any of the accounts. So I'm selecting this one to log in into the Threads and create a Threads account. Now you have the option to import all of your details from Instagram. You can simply tap on next or tap on import from Instagram, or you can also write a bio or anything over here. And now if you'll tap on the arrow button at the top right corner of the screen, you will have the privacy setting. You can make your account public or private, so go ahead and choose the one you like, and after that tap on continue. And now you can also follow the same accounts that you follow on Instagram. I'm just going to tap on next at the top right corner of the screen. After that, simply tap on join Threads at the bottom of the screen. This is exactly how you can download and install, create an account on Threads app. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.